Hello everyone, hope you're fine and doing great today. I'm here with another new video in which I will explain you about the device lagging in your device Xiaomi 12X. But firstly, if you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon. Now let's move towards our today's video. In this, I will explain you about if your device is lagging or it is hanging by the time you can solve this issue as I am showing in this video. Follow the steps and watch complete video and learn about the device lagging in your Xiaomi 12X.